Good afternoon and welcome to Your Next Cars YouTube channel. It's a quick walk around presentation of this stunning 66 Reg 118D 3-door hatchback we have in. Presented in Astral Blue, fitted with some styling upgrades which we do all in-house. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. Thanks for watching. Let's take a look around at the specs and condition. LED headlights to the front, 3-door model, 2016 66 Reg. We fitted the gloss grills, 3-piece front splitter, colour matched wheels and grip, and mirror caps, premium tyres all round, Bridgestones. This has the M Sport Plus pack with the bigger brakes, and the Harman Kardon sound. Got the gloss black decals with the M Performance logo, LED tail lights. We fitted this lovely gloss black rear spoiler as well, which is quite rare. This one has rear parking sensors. We have the original mats in the boot, split folding rear seats. Really well presented car with a full BMW service history. I'll show you the inside in a second. All the wheels are unmarked, dent free, scratch free. Sports Alcantara interior with the blue stitching. All the BMW staple colours. Gloss black dash, that's the all important Harman Kardon sound system there. Extended storage pack, automatic headlights, rain sensors, rear parking sensors, cruise control. It's a 6-speed manual. Take a look at the rear bench, 2 ISOFIX rear seats. Business navigation system. Service wise, next oil change is due in 14,000 miles. History 15, 33 and 43. Car is now on 56,000 miles. Lovely looking car, HP and PCP available, part exchange is welcome. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching and keep safe. Thank you.